We are here with the SteelSeries Arctis 7 Pro wireless headset, customizing it with some face plates and a new headband. Let's go! Now I got this from Amazon. It seems to be exactly the same as the SteelSeries website's version. No difference at all. We've got it in the box. Got the nice little headband with some color to it. They feel nice though, I'll say that. Now getting to the meat and potatoes of the installation. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Basically, just pop it off and pop it on and pop it on. Pretty much that easy. They slip on, they're magnetic. Got the side ones on. Now let's get to the top band, which we remove with Velcro. Pull it out. Got the new one. It has the SteelSeries logo on it. It's not an off-brand, just slam. Throw this through. You want the SteelSeries on the outside towards the headphone, at least I think. There. Throw the Velcro through the other side. And pull, pull, pull. Way too tight. Way too tight. Especially with the man bun. Go more in. A little bit better. The tighter it is, maybe I'm wrong. Feels right. Alright, and a little last note, if you want to make sure that logo's on the side, just move it over. You let me know in the comments below, guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by for the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.